Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. This is the 2018 the Ford Explorer. Stock number is 7361. This virtual video walk-around is going to allow you to see this Explorer up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos, and take care of the impeccable exterior condition. It's absolutely flawless. Love those rims. And we're going to make a way around on this Explorer to down the driver's side and then the interior in just a second. This does have the 3.5 liter V6 with the EcoBoost system. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life on this vehicle, no extra cost to you. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. Look at the interior moonroof. Making our way around the interior front. You see easy access on the dash. And it's a beautiful day here in the Great Pacific Northwest when this video is shot. So we invite you to come on down and visit us. For more information, call, email us, or text us, or better yet, we look forward to meeting you and earning your business in person. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Take care. Bye-bye.